In this video guys, I'll be telling you how to stretch time on your iPad or iPhone iOS 26 update. So make sure to guys subscribe to our channel, like the video before starting. Now first of all, make sure to unlock your device. So once you unlock, just swipe down from top and now you will see this lock screen over here. Just hold your lock screen and now guys just tap on this option, customize option over here. So as you can see, just tap on your clock and make sure to choose the first font because only on first font it works. So once you choose it, you can choose the glass option, a glass effect, or the solid one. So I like the solid one, so I have just chosen. So now to stretch your time, just you when you uh, just when you minimize the options, here you will be able to see this option to stretch your time. You can stretch your time to any extent to this point only. And now just once you're done with this, just tap on done to save it. And now yeah, we are done guys. So yeah, this is how guys you can stretch your time on your iPad or iPhone lock screens. Subscribe for more video guys. Till then, bye bye. Now you can see the stretch times. Subscribe for more video. Till then, bye.